Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Vivo Y95. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And from here you have to use volume buttons and you have to navigate to recovery mode and then press power button. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.